As a gay Igbo man who is juicy, moisturized, glowy, hydrated, and unbothered, I grew up gay. I came out of my mother's womb gay. I do not understand why a lot of you tend to feel like gay people are not created by your maker, by God. It boggles the mind how much insult I receive for saying that I'm a gay person that doesn't want to get married to any woman to deceive them, to conform to society's standards. What I'm doing is living my life. Some people always say that you should find Jesus, repent, that you are a sinner, God did not create you, you are influencing people. Nobody teaches anyone to be gay. Nobody teaches anyone to be queer, to be a lesbian, to be LGBTQIA+. You are born gay. Homosexual I shall be until the rest of my days. I want to make it extremely clear. No amount of insults, no amount of higgy and haga, no amount of waywardness is going to make someone who is a homosexual to stop being a homosexual. Some of your so-called men of God, some of your so-called leaders, religious leaders are homosexuals, and there's nothing wrong with them. I will continue to be here today, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. You are never going to be able to break our soul. As gay people, as queer people, we are not broken, we are not wrong, we are who we are. Have a wonderful time. I remain the Igbo king, the Igbo homosexual from Njikoka local government area of Anambra State. Love, 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 love is love.